Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on IC markets. So right now we are here on the chart and we want to buy some gold. So what we're gonna do is we search here at symbol for gold. And then right now we can decide if you want gold versus euro or gold versus US dollar. So we want gold versus US dollar. What a great increase we are seeing right there, but we want to position on gold right now. So what we're gonna do is quite simple. We click here on new order and select right here the amount of gold that we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy a volume of 1 and that is exactly what we're gonna do. And then what we need to do now is fill in a stop loss or a take profit if you want to. So let's say create a stop loss. So when the price will go down to there, he will close our position, or a take profit when he will hit more higher, then he will close our trade. Decide what you want to do. Then after that, just click right here on buy by market. And now we just created our position right here on the gold market. So this is how you can buy gold right here on IC market. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. The market is closed right now. So once the market is opened, you can do exactly the same on this way, but then he will automatically buy your position because then the market is open. But right now, this is how it works. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.